Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the video reels using one of the famous song in Indonesia named Tabola Bale or Tabola Bale. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, before starting the video editing, I might would like to share you what is Tabola Bale. Well guys, have you ever felt that it has been a while or very long time you haven't seen someone, maybe that girl or the boys or guy, and after that, after the few years, you see them or you see him or her being much more beautiful or more handsome, and your heart it is like being flipped and find the bit something like that from the in the previous time you've kind of not have the feeling, and after see the differences, so you start to fall in love something like that. So let's go back to the tutorial. Well guys, here I'm using the CapCut to do the editing, and don't worry because this CapCut can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone and even in the tab and also the PC guys. And here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And as usual, you can start to choose the clip or picture that you would like to combine it into the one whole video, and you can combine it too with this Tabola Bale song. Well guys, basically the song would be like this. I'll play it for you. Something like that, but I'm sorry I cannot play the whole or the full song to respect the copyright, but don't worry, I will keep showing you the tutorial to create this video reels. Well, basically, again, you can start to import several clips. For example, here I have prepared 4 clips here, and also not every single, I'm sorry. For this clip, first I changed the speed to be the velocity style, and you can apply to it. And for the rest of this clip, I do not put the velocity speed, but don't worry. And after that, you can start to import the song into this section. And after that, usually when you see the dot here, it is being applied automatically when I apply the velocity style into into this first clip guys. So it is like automatically mark the beat into this song. And after that, you can start to play with the effect. For example, for this first clip, I put the club mood, and you can find this effect into the category of trending here. You can click club mood, and after that, for the clip 2, 3, 4, you can apply the effect named flashy dance. You can find this effect into the category the new here, and you will find flashy dance, and you can apply to it. And for the second layer, I will put the transition effect. For example, between the clip 1 and clip 2, I choose the effect named pixelate. You can find this effect within the glitch category, and you can find this down here, pixelate, and you can apply to it. And here I put the duration like this. Maybe the length would be almost 2 seconds, and you can adjust the transition and the effect like this. So when the picture start to blurry, then you can put this into the middle or between of this clip, and you can make sure that the transition can run smoothly, something like this. And for the transition effect between the clip 2 and clip 3, I choose the effect named Scorch Real, something like this, and you can apply to it. And also make sure you can play with this by put the transition effect, and I put this transition effect like this. I'm sorry. And for the transition effect between the clip 3 and clip 4, I choose the speed lightning. This effect you can find it within the new category, and you can apply to it, and make sure that the effect can run smoothly too. When the picture turns blurry, then you can put it into the very in the middle, and after that, there you go, the picture will be shown clearly like this. And after that, you can also put the closing effect. Here I choose the landscape close. You can find this effect within the intro and outro effect, and you will find it here, landscape close, and apply to it. And the third layer, I will put the effect named black noise, and you can find it within the category of retro down here, and you can apply this black noise. I'm sorry. And for the last layer of the effect, you can add this smart sharpen, and you can find this effect in the Halloween category, and it is in the first place. And for this two effect, I put and apply for the entire clip from the start until the closing or the end, guys. And I will show you the result like this. And again, I'm sorry I cannot play the music for you, but you can see the result or the output like this. So this will be the closing. So that's all, guys. If you would like to continue to save it, then you can click export up here. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.